नमस्कार. सुस्वागतम सुस्वागतम सुस्वागतम. सौख्याच्या या गान मैफिलीत मंडळी तुम्हा सगळ्यांचं सहर्ष स्वागत आहे.
Welcome everybody to Sokhya's solo concert. So guys, first of all, thank you so much for making time today on this long weekend, Memorial Day weekend, to come here and enjoy this concert. But what else would you do anyways, right? Drive on the freeway, burn gas, and then be tired on Monday? This is a better option. So thank you all for coming here. It'll be a fun evening, and the reason for that is very simple. Sokhya has one problem. Can I say that, Renuka? Well, I think it's too late. The problem is she's very multi-talented. She knows classical, she knows semi-classical, she knows Bollywood, she knows American music. So the thing is, she's going to go over and showcase her talent in all these categories. Isn't that awesome, guys? Couple of house rules. No food and drink inside the theater. How many of you have cell phones? Nobody. How many of you have cell phones? Okay, so there's pros and cons. The thing is, turn off all noise-making devices, like your cell phones, and more importantly, your spouses. They make much more noise. But feel free to take pictures, and if you do, feel free to post them on this beautiful site on which there's 1.65 billion users called Facebook. And if you do that, you can tag them so that we can collect all the pictures and make sure what was your angle on how you saw Sokhya performing. The hashtag is hashtag Sokhya and hashtag Inamdar Style. Just, yeah, I mean, they got it. Style is the way of saying it. Correct kar rahe hain. Good. I like that. Maybe perfectionist too. Aila. So again, the hashtags are hashtag Sokhya and hashtag Inamdar Style. Now, how many of you here don't understand either Marathi or Hindi? Good luck to you. I'll tell you a trick which you can use throughout the concert today. Look around and see somebody who you think knows what's happening. And when he laughs, you laugh. When he applauds, you applaud. Trust me, life will be so much simpler. And just to confuse them sometimes, applaud louder than them. They'll be like, how does she, what happened? Maybe something I don't know. So confuse them, play along. So with that, and how many Marathis in the house? Thoda louder, chada, bol ke. Good. Sir, आप दो मराठी हो? क्या बात है? शिवाजी के घोड़े पे आए होंगे आप. So because we have a large Marathi audience here today, let me welcome on stage somebody who will help me tonight with all the Marathi script, because my Marathi is limited to Gati Rodak Pude Aahe, because I lived in Pune for some time. Going beyond that, let me welcome and give her a round of applause, Pranali.
थँक यू सनी. नमस्कार मंडळी. आजच्या या लॉंग विकेंडला खरं तर खास वेळ काढून सौख्यासाठी तुम्ही सगळे इथे आलात हे पाहून आम्हाला खूप छान वाटतंय. आणि इनामदार परिवारातर्फे मी प्रणाली तुम्हा सगळ्यांचं सहर्ष स्वागत करते. खरं तर हा आहे एक गान सोहळा. सौख्याची ही पहिली वहिली पण खूप अशी आगळी मैफिल ही सजली आहे खास तुमच्यासाठी आणि अर्थात खास इनामदारांसाठी सुद्धा. तर हॅशटॅग इनामदार स्टाईल, डोंट फॉरगेट, राईट? या. अमेरिकेत जन्माला येऊन सुद्धा हिंदुस्थानी संगीतात अभ्यास करण्याचा ध्यास करणारी सौख्या म्हणजे आपणा सगळ्यांसाठी एक अजब रसायन आहे. आणि हे रसायन क्लासिकलपासून सेमाय क्लासिकल, बॉलिवूड, हॉलिवूडपर्यंत आज आपल्याला दंग करणार आहे. तेव्हा आपल्या सगळ्यांकडून आपण सौख्याला शुभेच्छा देऊया.
With that, make sure my mic is on, yes? With that, let's open the curtain and welcome the first half of the show, the classical segment. Let's have the curtains open and taaliyan. And right here is the star of the evening. And just before they begin, a very quick intro of all the maestros accompanying Sokhya. We have Manoj ji right here. a very well-known harmonium player. And on the other side is the other pillar of tonight, Satish Tareji. And right behind, we have two beautiful girls, Priyanka and Avni on Tanpura. And in the middle, we have Sokha. Give it up one more time for all this team.
Hi everybody, I will be presenting 3 compositions. I will be singing Rag Shuddha Sarang, beginning with a Bandish and Madhyalay Japtal composed by Manoj Kaka, and then followed by a traditional Bandish in Tintal, and then a Tarana in Drut Tintal, which is also composed by Manoj Kaka. मना कैसे मना तो हे श्याम कैसे मना तो हे श्याम कैसे मना मना कैसे मनाऊं तो ही श्याम सुंदरवा, कैसे मनाऊं तो ही श्याम सुंदरवा। ना छेड़ो सुंदरवा, ना छेड़ो कैसे मानो तो हे श्याम, कैसे मानो, कैसे मानो, कैसे मानो। अब मोरी बात, अब मोरी बात मान ले बिहारवा, मान ले बिहारवा। जाऊँ मैं तो पे वारी 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 वारी। अब मोरी बात, मोरी बात, 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 अब मोरी बात, बात, मोरी प्रेम पिया हमसे नहीं बोलता, प्रेम पिया हमसे नहीं बोलता। विनती करत मैं तो हारी 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 हारी। अब मोरी बात, अब मोरी बात, अब मोरी बात, मोरी बात मान ले। अब मोरी बात, मोरी बात मान ले। पिहारवा अब मोरी बात, अब मोरी बात मान ले। पिहरवा 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 अब मोरी बात, मोरी बात, अब मोरी बात, मोरी बात, अब अब मोरी बात, अब मोरी बात। रे मम रे प प म प ध प म प रे म प मोरी, म रे प म ध प नि ध सा नि रे सा म रे सा नि ध प म प रे म प मोरी। रे मम रे सा प नि नि ध प रे म म रे सा नि ध प म प प मोरी बात, अब 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 मोरी बात मान ले बिहार बा, मान ले बिहार बा, जाऊँ मैं तो बेवारी वारी 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 अब मोरी बात, अब मोरी बात, अब मोरी बात, अब मोरी बात। तदीम तोम तननदीम तोम तदारे तदीम तोम तननदीम तोम तदारे तननदीम तोम तनदेरे ना तोम तननदीम तोम तनदेरे ना तोम तननदीम तोम तननदीम दीम दीम तननदीम दीम दीम तननदीम दीम दीम तोम तनन तदीम तोम तननदीम तोम तदारे तदीम तदारे दानि दीम तन देरे ना तदीम तदारे दानि दीम तन देरे ना तदीम तदारे दीम तदीम तदेरे ना तदीम तदारे दीम तदीम तदेरे ना निजा रे म प नि सा म प नि सा रे सा नि नि सा प म प रे म रे सा तदीम ता तरन दीम तोम तदा 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 रे तदीम ता तरन दीम तोम तदा रे दीम तोम तदारे तदीम तोम तनन दीम तोम तदारे तदीम तोम तनन दीम तोम तदारे तदीम तोम तनन दीम दीम तोम तनन तनन ननन तदीम तनन तनन ननन तदीम तनन तनन ननन तदीम तनन तनन ननन तनन तनन तन तनन तनन तन तदीम तनन तनन ननन तदीम तनन तनन ननन तनन तनन दीम तनन तनन दीम तदीम तोम तनन दीम तोम तदा तदीम तोम तनन दीम तोम तदा तदीम तोम तनन दीम तोम तनन दीम तोम तनन दीम
Guys, this song was composed by Manoj himself. Check one, two. And those of you who don't know, he's a musician, lyricist. He has got an award from Sri Suresh Wadekar ji himself. So one more time, now that I have the microphone on, one more time for Manoj ji.
सौख्यासाठी पण होऊन जाऊ द्या.
They can't hear you. It's kind of stuck, Danielle. Can you hear me? No, there, he'll fix it. He'll fix it. So in the meantime, once again, how are you liking it so far? Especially for people who don't understand Hindi, or maybe it's your first time with classical music, give me some kind of a feedback. Soumya, those are the people you need to pay later on. Got it. Saukya. See, this is what happens when the mic doesn't work. Are we good, Daniel, with Pranali's mic? In the meantime, as we are doing this, let me also introduce Satish ji to you. He's a renowned tabla player. He has his own tabla academy, Tabla Niketan. And not only that, he has been learning tabla since a very, very early age of 5. And for the past 10 years, he's giving it back to the community by teaching young kids at Tabla Niketan. If you want to check it out, go to Tabla Niketan and you can find Satish ji's work.
सो सतीश काका तयार राहा, भरपूर रांग लागणार आहे.
Okay, now she's back in full force.
येस ऑफकोर्स. सो मंडळी, तुम्हाला सगळ्यांना कौतुक असेल की ही अशी मैफिल अचानक कशी काय ठरली. खरं तर हे या रेणुका माऊलीचं स्वप्न. तिने हे स्वप्न पाहिलं आणि ते प्रत्यक्षात आणण्यासाठी अमितनं अगदी योग्य ते खतपाणी घातलं. आणि सगळ्यात महत्त्वाचं म्हणजे ही आपली सौख्या इनामदार घराण्यातला हा मोगरा, तिच्या स्वराच्या सुगंधाने आज आपण सगळे अनुभवता आहात. तर मला वाटतं ही फक्त या घरातल्यांचीच तर नाही, पण त्याबरोबर आवश्यक असणाऱ्या गुरूंची सुद्धा साथ आहे. तेव्हा मनोज आणि अर्चना तामणकर यांच्यासाठी जरा एकदा टाळ्या होऊ द्यात. सौख्या अगदी 4 वर्षाची असल्यापासून गायला लागली का संगीतात खेळायला लागली माहीत नाही, पण रेणुकाने जेव्हा बघितलं तिला खेळण्यांपेक्षा कीबोर्डवर अलंकार वाजवलेले जास्त आवडतात, तेव्हा मात्र यांनी ठरवलं की यांना आता संगीतातल्या गुरूंची ओळख करून देण्याची गरज झाली आहे. आणि अशा प्रकारे सौख्याचा हा गानप्रवास सुरू झाला आणि तो फुलता फुलता इतका फुलला की वयाच्या अगदी 18व्या वर्षी अशी अनोखी मैफिल घेऊन ती आपल्या सगळ्यांसमोर आली आहे. स्वरसौख्याचे स्वप्न साऱ्यांचे या कार्यक्रमात तुम्हा सगळ्यांचं पुन्हा एकदा आम्ही सहर्ष स्वागत करतो. जाता जाता किंवा पुढली बंदिश सुरू करण्याअगोदर मला एक वाक्य किंवा संस्कृत सुभाषित आठवतंय, ते तुमच्यासाठी खास पेश करावं असं वाटतंय. दर्शन ध्यान संस्पर्शे कुर्मी पक्षीच मक्षिणी शिशुं पालयते नित्यम तथा सज्जन संगतीही. याचा अर्थ मला वाटतं सनी सगळ्यांना समजवणार आहे.
She just said that I'll translate the whole thing now to you, given that I don't understand Marathi. But I will tell you what she said. To begin with, first of all, she said she thanked Renuka ji and Amit ji. It was Renuka ji and Amit ji's dream to have this concert for Sokhya. And the reason for that being, since she was a kid, she's still a kid, I guess, she, rather than playing with toys, she was very, very, very musically inclined. I guess if you had iPad that time, you'll play and play the music at the same time. But given that whole thing, it was her dream to see this day. And thank you all for coming here for to make this dream successful. And the last thing that she said is very, very, very important. It's a Sanskrit shlok, which means even animals take care of their little ones. It's our responsibility as human beings to make sure that our kids get good company, and as they grow up, they become good human beings. And if you think Amit ji and Renuka have been successful, give it up for Amit ji, Renuka and Sokhya.
And Saurabh.
वळूया पुढल्या बंदिशीकडे.
Thank you.
Next, I will be singing Rag Mia Malhar. I'll be presenting 2 compositions. One bandish in Ektal composed by Prabha Atre, and a tarana also in Ektal but composed by Veena Sahasrabuddhe. मोर लागे रे बरसन लागे रे बरसन लागे रे उमड़ घुमड़ घन गरजे उमड़ घुमड़ घन गरजे दारू re sa ni da ni sa re ba re sa ne lage re ni za re ni za da ni ma pa ga ma re ba re sa ne lage re ni da ni pa ma pa ga ma re sa ni da ni sa ba re sa ne lage re ba re sa ne lage re ba re sa ne lage ba re sa ne lage re 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 बदरिया घन घोर पिया बिन नैना मोरे लागे रे बरसन लागे रे बरसन लागे बरसन लागे बरसन लागे रे तान दे रे ना दीम दीम तो तान दे रे ना दीम दीम तो तान दे ना दीम दीम तो तान दे रे ना तदारे तारे तान ओदरी तनन दे तदारे दानी तदारे दानी दी तो तान दे रे ना दीम दीम तो तान दे रे ना दीम दीम तो उदन दीम तदीम तननन उदन दीम तदीम तननन दीम दीम दो दो तना दीम दीम दो दो तना तन दे रे ना तन दे रे तदारे दानी दी तो तान दे रे ना दीम दीम 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 तो तान दे रे ना तदारे तारे दान ओदनी तनन दे रे तदारे दानी दी तो तान दे रे ना दीम दीम तो तान दे रे ना तान दे रे ना तान दे रे ना
विजांचा कडकडाट झाला की नाही? मिया मल्हार हा राग हा तिने जो पेश केला आपल्यासमोर, मला तर खूप मजा आली. तुम्हाला आली की नाही? हो, जरा अजून होऊ द्या.
And what did I tell you guys? When they applaud, you applaud.
द्रुतलयीतला तराणा हा जो प्रकार तिने शेवटला घेतला तो सगळ्यांचीच म्हणजे सुरातालांची तर गट्टी जमवतोच आणि समोर असलेल्या सगळ्यांना काहीतरी वेगळं वाटत राहतं, काहीतरी वेगळं सुचत राहतं. तर ही संगीताची जादू आहे. खरं तर संगीताचा प्रवास किंवा संगीत शिकणं ही आपल्याकडे 14 विद्यांपैकी एक विद्या मानली जाते. त्याच्यासाठी जन्मजन्मांतरीचा प्रवास पुरेसा नसतो आणि अवघ्या 18व्या वर्षी अशी एखादी मैफिल सादर करणं म्हणजे ही तिची साधना की कौतुक यातला मेळ कसा घालायचा ते मलाही समजत नाही आहे. पण एवढं मात्र नक्की कळते की विद्येने माणूस नम्र होतो. किती नम्र होतो तर वयाच्या 18व्या वर्षी जेव्हा आपल्याला कळतं आपण एखादी अशी मैफिल करू शकतो, आपल्यासाठी एवढी 501 माणसं येऊ शकतात, अशा वेळेला सुद्धा ते स्टारडम एन्जॉय न करता ह्या मैफिलीतनं काहीतरी एक वेगळा कॉज पुढे यायला पाहिजे, ह्याचा उद्देश काहीतरी वेगळा आहे. ह्या कलेच्या साधनाने किंवा ह्या कलेच्या माध्यमाने आता काहीतरी वेगळा प्रवास सुरू व्हायला पाहिजे हे या चिमुकलीला वाटलं आणि या मैफिलीद्वारे ती या अमेरिकन लंग असोसिएशनसाठी चॅरिटी किंवा डोनेशन रेज करते. मला वाटतं आपण सगळ्यांनी ह्या उपक्रमाला सढळ हस्ते मदत करावी.
My turn? Okay. American Lung Association, that's what she talked about. For all Marathi people, remember ALA, Ala Re Ala. Make sure you donate for that. There's a booth outside. You can also go to sokhya.us. If you have seen the Evite, if you have received the emails, there's a link within that. So you can have multiple ways to donate to American Lung Foundation. You must have seen Sokhya's story, and she'll talk more about it as the evening progresses. One more thing is I came to know backstage when talking to them is one of the other reasons Amit ji and Renuka ji made sure that Sokhya learns classical is this. All the classmates, schoolmates, friends of Sokhya, how many times, what's the longest you have seen Sokhya sit at one place and be still? What's the longest? What's the longest? 5 minutes. It's already been about 40 minutes or so that she's been sitting like this. She's as bubbly, she's more bubbly than a bottle of Pepsi. And the reason that they made sure she learns classical is right here. Because singing is obviously one technical aspect of it, but being patient, look at all these. I was talking to Manoj ji earlier. This is one aspect of it. It's almost like a meditation. You have to sit there and be concentrated in what you do. So that's one of the reasons she learned classical, and we can see the fruits of that labor. Having said that, making sure your kids sit down properly. If you have any small kids who are getting uneasy, we do have babysitting services right now. All you have to do is go out, turn left, and you'll see a door. Only if you have small kids, you can take them there right now if they're getting uneasy. But it seems like everybody is very well behaved and enjoying the concert. And one more lost and found announcement. Somebody lost their phone, I guess. So I will make sure that I'll get their phone, and you can meet me, or I'll keep it outside in the lobby. So don't worry, we have your phone. With that, what's next, Pranali?
I think Sokhya is going to announce.
All right. Back to Sokhya and team.
Now I'll be singing Rag Mishra Tilang. It's a semi-classical composition by Prabha Atre in Tal Dadra. Ah
रसिक हो, आपल्यावर सुद्धा ही जादू चांगलीच झालेली दिसते. खरं तर अमेरिकेत अशी एखादी मैफिल होते हे मला काही खरं वाटत नाही आहे. एवढा जमलेला प्रेक्षक वर्ग किंवा श्रोतृवर्ग, सुजाण श्रोतृवर्ग खरं तर, आणि आपल्यासमोर बसलेली ही 18 वर्षाची चिमुकली, याचा मेळ घालताना ABCD मुलीची मैफिल आहे की खरंच हिंदुस्थानात आले आहे हे मला कळत नाही आहे.
ABCD, American born, cultured, Desi.
वंडरफुल.
That's the only 4 letters I understood in the whole thing. Just a couple of logistical things. Again, if you're taking pictures, posting them on Facebook, Twitter, other social media platforms, make sure you use the hashtag Sokhya and hashtag Inamdar style. And also, after a few performances, we'll have a break in which the box dinner will be served outside. So stay tight because this evening is just getting warmed up. Anything
Yeah.
else, Pranali, we need to add?
Yes. I'll just introduce what she's gonna do next. सो मंडळी, शास्त्रीय संगीत, उपशास्त्रीय संगीत, त्यानंतर आता आपण वळणार आहोत एका वेगळ्या वळणाकडे. तुम्हाला नाट्यसंगीत आवडतात का? राईट. नाट्यसंगीत आपल्या सगळ्यांना आवडतात. त्यातनं पोचलेलं शास्त्रीय संगीत आपल्याला कळतं, कारण ते कुठेतरी आपल्याला ऐकल्यासारखं किंवा त्यातनं आपल्याला काहीतरी समजतंय असं नक्की वाटतं. मला वाटतं आपण आता वळूया अशा वळणाकडे की जी नाट्यसंगीतं तुम्ही सगळ्यांनी रेडिओवर कधीतरी ऐकली असतील किंवा संध्याकाळी खास जेव्हा रेडिओवर नाट्यसंगीताचा कार्यक्रम व्हायचा तेव्हा मुद्दाम ट्यून केली असतील. तर आत्ता अशा एका वळणाकडे किंवा ज्या नाट्यसंगीताने जनमानसात जागृती घडवली, अशा नाट्यसंगीताकडे ज्याने शास्त्रीय संगीत घराघरात पोहोचवलं, अशा वळणाकडे वळत आहोत. सादर करीत आहे युवती मना. रचना आहे कृष्णाजी प्रभाकर खाडीलकर यांची, संगीत गोविंदराव टेंबे यांचं आणि मूळ स्वर आशा भोसले यांचा.
Translation, you guys are the best.
रेणुका आवडलं की नाही गाणं?
Guys, I don't know if you can see or not, Renuka ji has become a little teary-eyed, and I'll tell you why. Some things are very meaningful in that language only. The song that Saukya just sang has very deep meaning for them. The reason being, Renuka ji's dad used to sing the same format of the song that Saukya just sang, and that's the reason Renuka ji and Shekhar ji both are remembering those times, and obviously their dad. Let's give it up for Shekhar ji, Renuka ji, and Saukya.
समाधानाचे अश्रू आहेत.
Saukya, did you want to add anything?
I love you, Mama.
Actually,
तर हा कौटुंबिक सोहळा आहे. अशी काही गुपितं उघडी केली तर मला नाही वाटत की कोणाला पर्सनल काहीतरी ओपन होत आहे असं वाटेल.
so I think
ठीक आहे ना?
let's do one thing. Let's get quick comments from Renuka ji. If you can give me them.
When I used to learn music, my dad, he started learning at age 40, and he said that, let's see who will sing the Natya Sangeet first. And I never got that chance because he passed away. And when I see Saukya performing, I see that his dream is getting fulfilled, not through me, but through my daughter.
You want to say a few words? Yeah, okay. Renuka ji, talent runs in the family.
वारसा हक्क आहे.
I just realized going down is easy, coming back is difficult.
मंडळी, आपण वळणार आहोत छानशा गीताकडे, पुढल्या भावगीताकडे. खरं तर इकडे आपल्या मुलांना मराठीतून काही समजावताना किंवा एखादी गोष्ट किंवा एखाद्या भावना किंवा भक्तिरसातलं काही सांगायचं झालं तर आपल्याला प्रश्न पडतो, हाऊ कॅन वी डिस्क्राईब दॅट लव्ह टू देम. आजकाल व्हॉट्सॲप, फेसबुक अगदी पटकन लव्ह स्टोरीज तयार होतात आणि पटकन ब्रेकअपसुद्धा होतात. अशा काळात यांना आपल्या राधा आणि कृष्णाचं प्रेम कसं समजवायचं हा मोठा प्रश्न पडतो. पण ज्या वेळेला आपल्यासमोर आपल्यातलंच कोणीतरी एवढं लहान असताना मी राधिका, मी प्रेमिका म्हणत पुढे येतं, त्यावेळेला आपल्याला कळतं खरं तर संगीताची जादू मोठी आहे आणि आपले प्रश्न छोटे आहेत. वळूया अशा एका छानशा भावगीताकडे. मूळ स्वर आरती अंकलीकर यांचा आणि संगीत दिलंय श्रीधर फडके यांनी.
I love the transition from tribute to Saukya's granddad to love stories now. Enjoy.
स्वरमधुरजागमनी अपरात्री कुञ्जवनी अपरात्री अपरात्री कुञ्जवनी स्वरमधुरजागमनी कळेना सुचेना माझी मी पुरेना सहावेळा मिलनाचे अधुरले मी राधिका राधिका मी प्रेमिका श्याम रंग श्याम संग मिलनात चित्तरंग श्याम रंग श्याम संग मिलनात चित्तरंग श्याम रंग श्याम संग मिलनात चित्तरंग सुखाच्या क्षणी मोहुनी वाजे मनवीणा मंत्रमुग्ध मोहरले मी राधिका राधिका मी प्रेमिका ये भान तृप्त गात्र गोकुळी पाट मात्र ये भान तृप्त गात्र गोकुळी पाट मात्र कोण आहे सांगू मी कसे हे सांगू मी कोण आहे सांगू मी कसे हे सांगू मी उमजेना श्याम क्षण जगले मी राधिका राधिका प्रेमिका मी राधिका तन श्याम मन श्याम प्राण सखा घन श्याम तन श्याम मन श्याम प्राण सखा घन श्याम रंगले दयाचे रंगी मी राधिका राधिका मी प्रेमिका
So, guys, recently the person who composed this song, Sridhar Phadkeji, was here in the Bay Area, and Sokhya got the opportunity to actually present this song to him. And did you want to say what feedback he gave you? What feedback he gave you when you sang the song?
Aparatri. Before I sang Aparatri Kunjavani, but he said to sing it Aparatri Kunjavani.
Wow. Wow, amazing, amazing, amazing. It's so good to have blessings of the person who actually composed the song, just like the first song was composed by Manojji. Now she got to get feedback from the person who composed the song again, Sridharji. So it's amazing. I think Sokhya is blessed for many, many reasons. She's getting good gurus, and because of all of you being here, encouraging her.
शास्त्रीय संगीत, उपशास्त्रीय संगीत, नाट्यगीतं आता वेळ आली आहे किंवा सगळ्यांना समजतात, सगळ्यांना आवडतात अशा भावगीतांची. ही मैफिल खरं तर विविधतेनं नटलेली मैफिल आहे. याच्यात तुम्ही बघणार आहात की टुवर्ड्स दी एंड हा प्रवास किती छान जातोय आणि किती विविधतेने नटतोय. पंडित हृदयनाथ मंगेशकर यांनी संगीतबद्ध केलेली, भा. तांबे यांची रचना असलेली आणि लता दिदींचे स्वर लाभलेलं कुठलंही भावगीत म्हणजे आपणा सगळ्यांचा काळजाचा ठेकाच चुकवतात. ती कुठेतरी हृदयाला भिडतात, काही वेगळं सांगू पाहतात, सहज वाटतात, सोपी वाटतात, पण गाणाऱ्यांना त्यातली गंमत कळते. कठीण आहेत अशी गाणी वाटणारी साधी. तेव्हा असा एखादा प्रयत्न आपल्यासमोर सौख्या करते, तिच्या प्रयत्नाला आपण नक्की दाद देऊया. तिच्या धाटणीतलं ऐकूया हे पुढलं गाणं, तिन्ही सांजा सखे मिळाल्या.
Quick translation, the next song is really tough and it's not easy to sing that song. And just for trying, we need to encourage Sokya because this is a really tough song. And once again, after a couple of performances, we will be taking a break. And after that, box dinners will be served outside. Once again, after every performance,
तिन्ही सांजा सखे सखे मिळाल्या तिन्ही सांजा सखे मिळाल्या.
संगीत सिनेमा जो आला होता शंकर महादेवांचं संगीत आणि जुनं नाटक मग ते नाटकाच्या रूपाने आलं मग त्याच्यावर चित्रपट झाला. मला वाटतं ओळखलं असेल कुठलं नाटक किंवा कुठला संगीत सिनेमाबद्दल मी बोलते. वळूया कट्यार काळजात घुसली या नाटकातल्या नवीन गाण्याकडे जे देस रागावर आधारित आहे.
मन मंदिरा ते जाने मन मंदिरा ते जाने उजळून घे सातका. मन मंदिरा ते जाने उजळून घे साधका. संवेदना संवेदना संवादे सहवेदना जपता मनंदिरा ते जाने उजळून घे साधका. मनंदिरा तळहाताच्या रेषाने सहज सुखा का भोगी कुणी. तळहाताच्या रेषाने तळहाताच्या रेषाने सहज सुखा का भोगी कुणी. तळहाताच्या रेषाने सहज सुखा का भोगी कुणी. स्वयंप्रकाशी तू तारा चैतन्याचा गाभारा. भर पंखातून स्वप्नोद्याचे झेप घे रे पाखरा. उजळून घे साधका. मनंदिरा ते जाने उजळून घे साधका. मनंदिरा मनंदिरा मनंदिरा. नी 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 सा 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 नी 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 सा 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 नी नी सा सा रे रे सा सा नी दा पा. मम प मम प मम प मम प म प नी द प म ग रे सा नी सा. नी नी सा सा रे रे सा सा नी नी सा सा रे रे सा सा. म प प म प नी दा प म प प म प नी दा प. प नी सा रे 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 प नी दा मा ग रे रे ग रे सा. प नी दा नी दा प रे ग रे सा. नी सा रे रे सा नी सा रे म ग रे.
फुल. हा सिनेमा तुम्ही बघितला असाल ना? त्यातलं एक छान दृश्य आहे. हे गाणं जेव्हा चित्रित झालंय किंवा हे गाण्याचं चित्रीकरण बघताना आपल्याला एक छान दृश्य दिसतं. ते म्हणजे तो एवढा छोटासा शिष्य जो काजवे पकडण्यासाठी म्हणून शंकर महादेवन किंवा त्याच्या गुरूंबरोबर जातो आणि मग तिथे ती काजव्यांचा होणारा किंवा तो दिव्यत्वाचा एक प्रकाश जो गुरुकडून शिष्याला मिळतो. मला वाटतं की ही एक गुरु शिष्याच्या गंडा बांधण्याच्या एकंदरीत ती प्रोसेस जी आपण त्या गाण्यातून बघतो आणि ती इथे फुलताना दिसते ती ही अशी. ह्याच्या मागे खरं तर श्रेय आहे मनोज आणि अर्चनाताई तामणकर यांचं.
And as they make their way onto the stage, I'm sure most of you should know this. Why don't you complete this? Guru Brahma, Guru Vishnu, Guru Devo, Maheshwara. Tasmai Shri Guruve Namah. And with that, let's call Renuka ji and Archana ji on stage. There they are. Let's give them a big round of applause. And Manoj ji is already here.
I am speechless. I came on the stage actually I was not supposed to be on the stage.
It's always good to have you on the stage.
The lady behind Saukhya, Archana. Yeah.
Come in.
Manoj.
Manoj ji.
This is all them. And I have always said, when known both of them for a long period of time, and they say, Amchi Muller, meaning they're our kids. And with Saukhya, that's the truth. She is their daughter. That's how they taught her. And
Hi mom, hi dad.
I have so much to say, but I don't remember anything right now. So thank
Maybe
you, Manoj and Archana.
Maybe Archana ji
One
wants to
second.
say something, or Manoj ji, one of you.
Yeah, a little bit, of course. I mean, it's a great occasion. It's a great milestone for Saukhya. So first of all, you've seen she's such a talented girl, and I really want to thank all of you for having come here to support her, to bless her, and to encourage her. I mean, without your support, that's not possible. Without their parents' support, that's not possible. So big round of applause to all of you first. Saukhya has a very, very unique tonal quality in her voice. And as you know, you are going to witness today, she just displayed her prowess in classical music. She's going to now, sing Bollywood music and English music. And she's really, really talented. And we wish her all the best as she enters her new phase in her life. Now, what we have learned from our gurus, our parents, is, music is not the ultimate goal. It is a means to do good things. And I don't have to tell this to her. We pass it on already. And you see that today's concert, she's raising funds for America Lung Association. So keep doing that. Keep it in mind that, music, yes, it is there, but we have to use it for a good cause. Stay humble. Remember your parents. You are here because of your parents. The God has given you the gift. The parents have supported you. And we have just guided you in a path. We happen to be there for you to guide on your path. So remember all these things, and remember, the music, any performing art is good when the audience likes it, right? So you have to please them. That's the ultimate goal. And do good things in life. So we bless you from our gurus. We pass it on to you. And please remember, stay true to yourself and keep doing the great work that you're doing. And we are really proud of you. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Manojji. And
I have to say, and especially again, once again, in this, the parents are really, really instrumental. We have a lot of kids that come to learn music from us, but if you get a great support from your parents, then that makes a huge difference in what you can do in music as well. So, great job by Renuka, you and Amit. And great round of applause, big round of applause to both of them as well.
yes, and Amitji, I'm not sure why you're sitting there. Can you please make your way on the stage?
Yeah, you need
Please.
to be here, yes.
As you make your way on the stage, I would love to hear Sokya's comments, what she has to say. Sokya, go ahead.
I would like to thank Manoj Kaka and Archana Maushi for letting me call in and just ask if I could practice and like always being there to support me and always letting me come practice even though they were busy. They always made time for me, which I'm really appreciative about. And I would also like to thank Satish Kaka for coming and Priyanka and Avni for accompanying me and Manoj Kaka for accompanying me. And yeah, and then I would like to thank Mama Baba for always being there for me and always supporting me through this.
That's really good. You already have your award speech prepared. So awesome.
Yes, yeah, I wanted to also mention, I mean, the passion that she has shown now. She was going through hard time physically as well. But still, on top of that, in spite of that, she came in the early mornings, in evenings, on busy school days, and prepared really hard for this concert. So that shows the passion that she has. And we really congratulate you on that as well. And I also wanted to mention Satish ji. He's a great guru himself. Please, a big round of applause to Satish ji. You know, I always say that in Bay Area, we are really lucky to have this great ecosystem for flourishing the Indian classical music. And he is one of the most important pillars of this ecosystem here. So thank you, Satish, for always coming and supporting our students and doing the work that you are doing.
Thank you so much once again, Manojji, Satishji, Priyanka and Avni for accompanying Sokya. Now we'll...
I'll add one line about it. The practice that he said, the only part that was hurting all of them is probably Sokya doesn't eat anything or drink anything during the practice. 3 hours, 3.5 hours, 4 hours, she's not eating anything. So the others, like who are there around, they kind of feel guilty whether to have it or no.
Chalo, that's very good. At least 3 kids
You can
are
all
happy.
enjoy the dinner, the early dinner outside. Just give me a second. You like the stage? Please, all my team, my volunteer teams, all my volunteers have worked really hard. And my stage team, please come on the stage because we will be taking this off and we will be getting ready by the time everybody enjoys dinner. We will be getting ready for the second half, which is Bollywood and Western. So with live orchestra, melody makers. So please, all my stage people, please come on the stage.
Awesome. And Sokya, you can also take off the super glue off your sari and come up if you want to.
Just one light moment. Only regret that we have for Sokya when she came and learned from us that she did not do one thing correctly. Yeah, she has one regret that we have that she has not done correctly. She did not learn to drink tea at our place. Many of our kids that learn, they get into the tea. They see us drinking tea and then they start liking it. But she couldn't. That's something that you still have to achieve.
So Renuka ji, stage team.
Please come on the stage team, and take a bow.
And Avni, Priyanka, you can
त्यांनी
come in
खरंच
front too.
खूप मेहनत घेतली आहे. So विनय, सुधीर, मृणाल, धनश्री, रोमा, सुप्रिया, Rajan, Bhakti, Prajakta. I'm missing few of them actually, but they are the due credit for all the stage.
Amazing job, everyone. Thank you so much. I know you still have lots more to do to break it down and set it up for the next segment. Let's do that. In the meantime, like I said, box dinner from Biryani Bowl will be served outside. The break will be about 30 minutes. Have dinner, come back. No foods or drinks inside the auditorium. And we'll rock the second half. You'll see a different Saukya in second half. Not the one glued to the seat, but somebody who'll be changing at least 3 times and jumping around. Right, Saukya? All right. Please, let's have a break. 30 minutes.
Before everyone goes, I think we need to have one picture clicked here.
Tadim tom tananadim tom tadare tadim tom tananadim tom tadare tananadim tom tanadere na tom tananadim tom tanadere na tom tananadim tom tananadim dim dim tananadim dim dim tananadim dim dim tom tananatadim tom tananadim tom tadare tadim tadare dani dim tanadere na tadim tadare dani dim tanadere na tadim tadare dim tadim tadere na tadim tadare dim tadim tadere na Nizare ma pa ni ma pa ni zare zani ni da pa ma pa re ma re sa tadim ta tarana dim tom tadar 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 dim tom tadare tadim